Good morning, evening, and afternoon, everyone, wherever you are in your location. This is a series from our Gen AI application building on AWS. There are multiple presentation on this series, and we have already a playlist for this. You can look at other presentation if you are interested. So in this particular presentation, we'll be focusing on building a personalized customer service board with Amazon Bedrock. In the solution, briefly demonstrate how to leverage Amazon Bedrock to create a customer service bot that can deliver personalized and up-to-date interaction by integrating real-time data using AWS Lambda and Amazon Relational Database Service (RDS). Okay, here we are going to cover the overall solution components. So we have basically the web application is the front end for the customer, which the main component of the solutions are the Amazon Bedrock for the foundation model, which deployed as an endpoint in the Amazon SageMaker. And we have the Amazon S3 for the storage and Amazon Lambda for interacting with the relational database for real-time data management. And also we are using the security component like IAM and AWS Secret Manager, and also there are some other solution components like CloudWatch and other. Not shown it here, but those are also required us to make the production ready. So this slide focus on how to accessing the Amazon Bedrock Foundation model. The process of accessing Amazon Bedrock Foundation model, an AWS IAM user with appropriate permission must request access through the AWS Management Console or through API, and then or through CLI. And then once approved, the request model become available to all the users within the account, enabling seamless integration with the other applications. So here the focus is creating an autonomous agent with Amazon Bedrock. This feature highlights the capability of agent for Amazon Bedrock to build and customize autonomous agent for the web application. These agents can assist end user in completing tasks based on organizational data and user input, enhancing the overall user experience and efficiency. So this slide details the components and the functionalities of an agent within the Amazon Bedrock framework. An agent encompasses a foundation model for input and response generation, customizable instruction, action groups, and defined by OpenAI schemas, optional Lambda function for additional tasks, knowledge bases for context, and editable prompt template for customization. These are the main components. So let's focus on here the action groups and parameters in Amazon Bedrock agents. So the session explained the role of action group within Amazon Bedrock agent. Action group define the specific action that an agent can assist an end user with. Each action group include the necessary parameter that the agent must gather from the user to effectively complete the requested task. So this testing the customer service bot with Amazon S3 and Lambda. This section outlined the testing process for the customer service bot. The Lambda function interact with an Amazon S3 bucket to access the necessary database, perform queries for customer and the product information, process orders, and generate approximate response based on API requests. This testing process is crucial for evaluating the bot's functionality and ensuring it meets the desired requirement. This session described the user interaction with the agent for Amazon Bedrock service feature. End user initiate the interaction using a natural language and the agent guide them through multiple steps, potentially involving external API calls to complete specific tasks. This demonstrates the conversational and interactive nature of the customer service bot. So deploying an agent with an alias, the final step outlining the deployment process of the agent. Um, Once the prototype tests are satisfied with the agent behavior, they create an alias to deploy it. The session automatically create and point to a new version of the agent. The testers then configure their web application to make API call to the alias, integrating the agent to the production environment. This step highlights the migrating from product type to the production in Amazon Bedrock. Um, the step involved in migrating the agent from a product type environment to production. The key step is to update the action group to use the new Lambda function, which queries Amazon RDS database for customer information. Additionally, a new alias is created to point to the production version of the agent, following a new following for a seamless transition. So whenever there is a update to the data, so we can create a new version and then alias, so that it can continuously update and integrate. The summaries of this so far we learned is that we saw the step to how to create a chatbot with the Amazon Bedrock as foundation model, and how can data will update it through Amazon RDS, and using an S3 storage, and also using the security component like Amazon Secret Manager, IAM, and also with the uh, creating the agent for completion of different tasks that need to complete, and also how to migrate from test environment to production, and how to continuously update the new version with integration. Thanks for attending the session. Hope this will enhance your knowledge on Gen AI application development, and also agent development with AWS and Bedrock, and um, Amazon other AI AW application components.